Have you ever wondered how can people make millions of dollars with meme coins while you're left holding the bag and losing all your money, guys? Today, I'm going to show you exactly how they're doing it. This video is all for educational purposes only, of course, so let's get straight to it. So basically, guys, today I'm going to show you how you can launch a meme coin on Radium. Radium is like the biggest decentralized exchange for Solana meme coins, guys. I'm going to show you how you're going to be able to launch it without coding anything and how you're going to be able to rug it. Like I said, educational purposes only. Let's get straight to it, guys. So today we're going to be using Mint.Fun. It's a Solana token launcher a lot of people have been using. Why? Because it's easy, it's fast, it's reliable, guys. No coding required. You just click on a couple of buttons and your coin gets launched, guys. So it's really straightforward. I'm just going to show you around the website. So that's basically the step-by-step guide on how to do it. There's also an FAQ. If you have any questions, they might get answered here. But yeah, let me get straight to the point. So first, guys, what you're going to do, you're going to connect your wallet to the platform. So if it's your first time connecting your wallet to the platform, it's going to show you a window on the top of the right here. You're just going to click on connect and your wallet is going to get connected to the platform. Then what you're going to do, you're just going to click on the create button. And here it is, guys. That's the Mint token creator menu. That's basically where you choose your token name, symbol, decimals, your total supply you're going to mint. You can upload an image. You can also revoke mint and freeze authority, guys, for free. It's completely free on this platform. You don't need to pay anything. I know that on other platforms, they charge you a 0.1 sol, 0.2 sol fee to revoke these authorities. Here, guys, it's completely free. And I'm going to go back to it to explain why it's so important to revoke these authorities, guys. All right. But now, what's the first step? The first step is actually going to be finding a viral coin to launch. To do this, a lot of people, what they do, they go on Twitter, they would check the news, they see what's popping, and they just copy trending news, you know what I'm saying? But other people, what they do, they go on Pump.Fun, Pump.Fun. It's basically this platform here. They go on Pump.Fun, they see what's trending, and they just copy and paste the coin. And I'm going to show you how they do it today. So for example, let's look at this King of the Hill coin here. What they're going to do, they're just going to click on the coin here. They see the volume. All right, it's looking good. So what we're going to do now, we're just going to save the image here. All right. Then we're just going to go back on Mint.Fun. We're going to upload the image. All right. Then we're going to copy and paste the name and symbol. As easy as this, guys. Make sure for this symbol that it doesn't exceed 8 characters or else it's not going to work. So let's check. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. All right, so let's just remove the N here. For the decimals, guys, make sure it's always set at 9 or else it's not really going to work. For the total supply you're going to mint a billion tokens. So it's basically 1 and 9 zeros. 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. So for the description, we're just going to copy and paste it from Pump.Fun. All right, then guys, what you're gonna do, you're just gonna revoke mint and freeze authority. Like I said, it's for free and it's a must if you want your coin to actually get buys, guys. If you want your coin to get trustworthy, because if you revoke mint and freeze authority, it basically means that you're not gonna be able to mint or print more tokens out of nowhere. And freeze authority basically means that you're not gonna be able to freeze people's wallets that are buying into your coin out of nowhere. So you know people are actually gonna trust your coin now. You check everything, then you just click on create token. All right, guys, no worries. This is standard procedure. It's a standard message, guys, because the platform is a bit new. But no worries, I'm going to show you the entire coin creation process throughout the video without any cuts, so you know what's going on. You can just click on proceed anyway. I'm going to show you the transaction details. You're basically creating an account, the mint address. You're minting a billion tokens. You're setting new authority, so you're basically revoking mint and freeze authority. And you're transferring a 0.2 sol fee to the platform, guys. That's it. So you can just click on confirm. Just then confirm. And boom, guys, just like that, your coin has been created, guys. Listen, if it doesn't show up on your wallet after a couple of seconds, minutes, no worries, guys. First, you're not gonna get charged anything unless your coin has been created. And what I would advise you to do is, because of network congestion and a lot of volume on the Solana blockchain, some transactions they fail. What I would advise you to do is to just, wait a little bit, come back on the platform, try to create your coin again, and it should work out perfectly fine. It happened to me a couple of times. I just tried a minute after the first coin. I tried again, and it worked out just fine. So guys, let's check if our coin has actually been created on SoulScan. All right, guys, alt season is coming. So 34 seconds ago, a billion tokens, 9 decimals, basically everything we said, everything we picked on the platform. We revoked both mint and freeze authority here. All right, so yeah, everything is in check. So the next step, guys, it's actually going to be creating your liquidity pool. To do this, you got to go on radium.io. Basically, you're going to go on liquidity, click on create, standard AMM, continue. Then what you're going to do, guys, you're going to swap your tokens. So to do this, you're just going to copy and paste your token address. You can do it from Mintrush directly. You copy and paste your token address here. Then you copy and paste your name and symbol. So let me just copy and paste the name, then the symbol. All right, then you click on add user token. Basically, that's our token here. And you're going to swap them for Sol. What I would advise you to do is to put 900 million of your tokens here. And for this video, I'm going to try to not exceed 1 Sol for the entire coin creation process. So you know what? I'm going to only put 0.4 Sol into the liquidity pool, guys, to show you that it's possible to make money even with 0.4 Sol. The fees here, I'm going to put it at 2%. Keep in mind there's a 0.2 Sol fee required when you create a new liquidity pool, guys. So you got to keep this in mind. But no worries, this money goes directly to the liquidity pool. And by the way, guys, the money you're putting, the 0.4 Sol and the 0.2 Sol you're putting in the liquidity pool, it's not lost money. You can always get it back by removing the liquidity. So just so that you know, guys, you're not losing this money. Initialize liquidity pool. So look, you're receiving the 18,000 LP tokens. You can confirm. And just like that, guys, your liquidity pool has been created. You can save this AMM ID, take a picture of it somewhere. But your coin is now live, guys. All right, guys, so the next step is actually going to be viewing your coin. So to do that, I would advise you to go on the X screener. It's basically a decentralized exchange screener. That's the name, basically. So what you're gonna do, guys, you're just gonna copy and paste your token address. Can be from here or from Mintrush, doesn't really matter. And you're gonna select a random Sol coin. Can be this one, for example. And then what you're gonna do, guys, you're just gonna replace the token address here with your token address, and it should show up. Yeah, guys, it's showing up. We already have some buys, some sales. That's our token, basically. Alt season is coming. Created a minute ago, 0.47 Sol already in the liquidity pool. So if you were to remove the liquidity pool now, you would make a 0.07 profit, but it's not what we want right now. So guys, the next step now is actually going to be waiting for more buys to come in, more sales to come in, and showing you the final step of the method, guys. All right, guys, the big buy already, 0.5 Sol. We just waited a couple of minutes and the first buy already came in. So yeah, more buys like this are gonna come in for the following minutes. So I'm just gonna wait a little bit more and keep you updated, guys. Wow, guys, another big buy, 0.7 Sol. Crazy, guys. So right now we have 0.7 plus 0.5 plus 0.4. So it's like 1.6 Sol in the liquidity pool already. So that's like a 4x return, which is absolutely crazy, guys. Look, 1.6 exactly 9 minutes ago. 4x return in like 9 minutes. Crazy, guys. So I'm just gonna wait for a bit more buys to come in, then I'm gonna show you the final step of the method, guys. All right, guys, so we got another 0.3 Sol buy in. So, you know, we're at 1.9, 1.8 Sol in the liquidity pool now. I think it's enough for the sake of the video, guys. So basically now what I'm going to do, I'm going to show you the final step of the method. So what you're going to do, you're going to go back on Radium. Then what you're going to do, you're going to click on portfolio. And here, after like 5 to 10 minutes, your liquidity pool should show up just like this. That's basically our liquidity pool, guys. So what you're going to do, next, you're going to click on standard here. You're going to click on 100%. So you're going to click on the minus button first. Then what you're going to do, guys, you're going to click on 100%. And look, That's the money you're getting if you ever remove the liquidity pool, guys. Of course, it's all for educational purposes. I'm not here to tell you what to do, but if you would remove the liquidity pool, guys, you would receive 1.9 SOL. Keep in mind, you only put in 0.4 SOL. That's how these people are making a shit ton of money with meme coins, guys. Look at this insane return in less than 10 minutes. Imagine doing this with 1, with 10, with 20 SOL, guys, with a real meme coin. It's absolutely insane, guys. So I'm just going to show you the transaction, guys. So look, you're getting 1.90 SOL in your wallet. You're swapping the LP tokens. You're getting the remaining alt season tokens in the liquidity pool in your wallet too, guys. Absolutely crazy.